What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. We got the crawler all charged up and we have a special guest with us, Kyle, and we're gonna go outside and show you what we've done so far to the crawler course, and we're gonna add something special here in a second. So we're gonna build the mud pit like right in between each side of the course, so you can kind of come down here and turn around and then come back and hit the mud section and turn around and either come back up here or just hit the course again. Got the hole all dug up, and then we made this little hill right before they get to go over, and then we kind of just made a long hole, and now we just have to fill it up with water. Okay, go! That's good! Okay, cut it! We're gonna put some rocks in the bottom just to make it a little bit more challenging and interesting. Well, Kyle found these two ginormous rocks that we're gonna put in there, but they're super hot, so it's gonna be hard to carry them.
Wow, look how fast they're so still up.
Well, we're gonna have to fill it up some more because it's already dried, because it's like 105 degrees outside. Cut some more rocks, and we're about to fill it up with water some more because it dried like halfway already. And it's on. Now that it's full, we're gonna get the crawler and push it up. Wasn't as deep as we wanted it to be, so we're going to take some bricks and put it on the sides and put some dirt over it so we can fill it up even higher so we can make this mud pit deeper. Put all the bricks on the side and covered it with mud, and then took some dug a little bit deeper in the middle, and now we're going to fill it up with water. Okay, go ahead! Just spraying it off with some water and taking the air compressor and blowing it off. It is so clean already.
Thank you guys so much for stopping by. The crawler course turned out awesome and the truck cleaned up very easily, and can't wait to use this thing a lot more, and I can't wait to go crawling more. Super fun and relaxing, and it's challenging, but it's really fun. Even though they're slow, I never thought they would be fun, but they're one of the most fun RCs that I have, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.